Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate two WhatsApp accounts on the VIVO X90 Pro. So if you have one WhatsApp account and you need the second one for the work, for example, with the separated contacts and private numbers, I'm gonna show you two methods to do it. So open the Play Store and now look for the WhatsApp app, but not for the normal, look for the WhatsApp Business. Just install this app. And now, as you can see, I have two WhatsApp accounts with the separated data. That was the first method. Now the second one, we have to open the Play Store again and look for the Dual Space app. Then choose one of them and install it. Now open the app. Decide that you want to get notification if you're making the WhatsApp. It could be helpful. Okay, and now just agree to terms and continue. Allow permissions and click on the WhatsApp. And whole process starting automatically, and now we are creating the second app on your phone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.